Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to Marinay's Powerhouse Team Review and Training Center. My name is Engineer Reggie Marinay. I'm here to discuss the Source Transformation Part 2. Okay, so let us continue our discussion regarding the source transformation. In here, we have the 3-loop circuit. Okay, so we are given here a 24 volts that is in series with the 4 ohm resistor. So we can see here that this is a Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, on the left side, we also have the Thevenin's equivalent circuit on the right side. Okay, this is our 20 volt source in series with the 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so let us have number 10. Okay, for number 10 question, we are asked to find the Thevenin's resistance. Okay, so the Thevenin's resistance. So first, let us convert this Thevenin circuit into Norton circuit. Okay, on the left side and on the right side. Okay, so I already redraw the circuit. So this is our circuit. Okay, so we have this circuit on the left side, Thevenin circuit, and on the right side here, one. Okay, okay, so I will designate that this is our point A and this is our point B. So considering we have here a 24 volts that is in series with the 4 ohm resistor. Okay. Let us replace this by Norton's circuit. Okay, this is the short circuit current. Okay, again, we have the 24 volts. The current must be going upward. Okay, so I will make this as going upward. And then what is now the value of our independent current source here? So we have here our 24 volts. Okay, then divided by, this is just by Ohm's law. We have 24 volts, then divided by, we have our 4 ohms. Okay, so in here we have 6 amperes. Okay, 6 amperes. Then we have here a parallel resistance. Our resistance, just copy the 4 ohm resistor here. There you are. Okay, and then at point A, there is a 6 ohm resistor. Okay, let's say this is our point A. Then this is our 6 ohm resistor. Okay. Then we have our 1 ohm resistor here, which is our load resistance for this case. Okay. Again, this is our point A and our point B. Then we have here our 8 ohm resistor. This is our 8 ohm resistor. This is our 1 ohm resistor, which is our load resistance. Then we have a load current here flowing. This is our IF. And then take a look here. So we have a 2 ohm resistor. Let us replace this Thevenin circuit by a Norton circuit. So again, we have a 20 volt source here. So the current must leave on the positive terminal of the 20 volt source. So okay, here what is the value of our current source here? So we have here 20 volts, then divided by 2. So we have here 10 amperes. Okay, 10 amperes. So we have a 10 ampere source here. Okay, then we have here our resistance, the 2 ohm resistance here, the parallel resistance 2. Okay, So this is now the equivalent Norton circuit of this Thevenin circuit. Okay, so we have here our 20 over 2, that is 10. Then just copy the 2 here. What about on the left side? We have the 24 over 4, that is 6 amperes. Okay, then just copy the 4 ohm resistor here. Okay, take a look here, guys. The 4 ohm and the 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel here. And also the 8 ohm resistor and the 2 ohm resistors are connected in parallel also. So they are both in parallel. So we can have the product over the sum of these two resistors and also these two resistors. Okay? So let us calculate first this one. So we have here, let us have the 4 parallel with the 6 ohm resistor. So we have here 4 times 6 over 4 plus 6. So what is the value here? Let's calculate. So we have here 4 times 6, then divided by 10. So that is 2.4 ohms. Okay, that must be less than the smallest resistance. Okay, we have the two resistors here. The 8 ohm resistor is in parallel with the 2 ohm resistor. That is 8 times 2 over 8 plus 2. Okay, so 8 times 2. Okay, so it is 1.6. Okay, 1.6 ohms. So we have this value. So let us draw now the equivalent circuit. So we have the equivalent circuit here. Okay, so we have here our 6 amperes current source. We have the 10 amperes. Okay, then this is our, that's this, 2.4 ohms. Then we have another resistance here, 1.6. Okay, this is 1.6 ohms. Then, of course, our 1 ohm resistor here, that one. Okay. So, take a look here. So, we have here a Norton circuit on the left side and on the right side. Okay. We have a Norton circuit here on the left side and on the right side. Okay, that one. So, we have here our point A and point B. Okay, where our 1 ohm resistor is connected. Okay. We may replace this Norton circuit into Thevenin's circuit. Okay? So, how is it? So, it's simply, we'll be having a series resistance in series with the Thevenin's voltage. Okay, I will draw first this is the point A, point B, okay, point A and point B. This is our 1 ohm resistor. This is our load resistor. Then, considering this circuit, so we'll be having a series resistance here, okay, in series with the Thevenin's voltage here, 1. Okay. What about on the right side? We'll be having here a resistance, then we have a voltage source here, that one. Okay? Take a look here, guys. Take a look here. So, we have here the resistance, the Norton circuit. So, what is the value of this resistance? the Norton's resistance is just simply equal to the Thevenin's resistance. So put here also 2.4. What about here? So just copy the 1.6. Okay? What about the voltage here? It's simply 6, by Ohm's law, 6 times 2.4. No? We have the current times the resistance. So we have here 6, then times 2.4. And that is equal to 14.4 volts. 14.4 volts. What about this? Well, let us just multiply the 10 ampere by the 1.6 ohm resistance. So we have 10 times 1.6, that is 16 volts. Okay? So 16 volts. So put here 16 volts. Okay? So we are seeing here a 3 resistance, and then we have 2 voltages. We have 2 voltages. Okay. For number 10, we are asked to find the Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Let's have first the resistance. The 2.4 ohms and the 1.6, and of course, together with the 1 ohm resistor, they are all connected in series. They are connected in series. Okay. I will have a Thevenin's equivalent circuit here. So this is our Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay. I will draw a Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, our VTH, then our RTH, then our load resistance, which is equivalent to 1 ohm resistor. Then we have here our load current. Okay. What about the RTH? Remember, we have points A and B here. We have points A and B. The 2 points here is these 2 points. Now, what is RTH? Okay, our RTH is simply equal the series combination. I will have first the 2.4 plus 1.6. 2.4 plus 1.6. 2.4 plus 1.6, and that is 4 ohms. Okay? So, you can put here 4 ohm resistor. Okay? Because these two are connected in series. And then the 1 ohm resistor is the load resistance here. What about now for the Thevenin's voltage? The Thevenin's voltage. Take a look here again. See, take a look here. So let's say I will put a terminal here. This is the positive terminal connected to positive of 14.4 volts. Then we have the negative terminal somewhere here. Then we have here 16 and the positive terminal of 16 volt source and the negative terminal of the 16 volt source. What kind of series connection do we have? Just like what we have discussed before. Is this connected in series aiding or in series opposing? No? Alin sa dalawa? So, tingnan natin mga ka-aware pa. Ha? O, tingin ha. Okay. I will put here X and this is Y. Let's say I will start with point X. I will start with point X. Let's say this is our point X. Our point X is connected with the positive terminal of the battery. And then the negative terminal of the battery, if you are to trace, that is connected to negative terminal of 16 volts. So therefore, negative. That one. So this is 14.4 volts. This is 16 volts. Okay. And this is our point Y. Okay. Let's say I will have a voltmeter to measure. This is VXY, let's say. I have a voltmeter here and here. So this is the positive, this is the negative terminal. Take a look here, guys. Again, just like what we have discussed before. The current must live on the positive terminal of the battery. So therefore, this is going to the left. This current. And this current is going to the right. So therefore, there are two opposite directions of the current. So magkaiba sila ng direction. So what is now the connection of these two batteries? Basically, they are connected in what? Series opposing. Okay, very good. Okay? Series opposing. So please take note of this. Okay? There's no problem if you are going to put here plus, minus, or minus, plus. No problem about that. Okay, I'll show this with you. So we have here, guys, let us have the Kirchhoff's voltage law at this loop. Okay? By Kirchhoff's voltage law. So what do we have here? This circuit tracing, it lives on the positive of VXY, of the voltmeter. So therefore, it is positive VXY. What about here? The circuit tracing lives on the negative terminal of 14.4 volts. Therefore, 14.4. And then for 16 volts, it lives on the positive terminal of 16 volts. You see? So doon siya lumabas sa positive ng 16 volts. So therefore, plus 16. Okay? So that is equal to 0. See? Tingin mga ka-wear pa. So, this VXY, automatic, that is positive. So that will just simply become 16, that is 16 minus 14.4. That's equal to 1.6. This is positive 1.6 volts. Okay, that is equal to 0. Therefore, our VXY will be equal to negative 1.6 volts. Okay, or simply our VXY, by magnitude, that is 1.6 volts. 1.6 volts. There's no problem about that. What do we mean, sir, by negative polarity of the voltmeter? Meaning, our assumption of having this as positive and this is negative is wrong. It's just that if we have a negative value, meaning your assumed polarity is wrong. Okay? Meaning, if you have a multi-tester, it will deflect on a reverse direction. Okay, I have my multi-tester here. Okay, so the deflection will be in reverse direction, and that is quite dangerous to the meter. That the pointer may break. This may damage the pointer. Okay, so you have to reverse the polarity of your test lead. These are the two test lead here. Okay, you have to reverse. Well, if you have a digital multimeter, so this will indicate the negative sign, okay, on the meter if you are using the digital, because I just have here an analog type, okay, of multi-tester. Okay, so take a look. So the actual connection now, so that it will deflect properly. If you have an analog voltmeter, just put here negative and this is positive. That's why this will become negative, negative, so that will become a positive value. There's no problem about that. Okay? So, meaning, this VXY is our Thevenin's voltage. That is our Thevenin's voltage. 1.6 volts. 1.6 volts. Okay? So, let us go now. Have for number 10, our answer is 4 ohms. So the answer would be, okay, that's correct. Huh? So we have 4 ohm resistor. Then we have for number 11, we have 1.6 volts. The answer would be letter C. Okay? So, tama tayo mga kawerpa. And the last question for this problem, find the load current. What is the load current? Take a look here, guys. This is a simple Ohm's law. I will put it here. Take a look. We have 1.6 volts, total voltage over total resistance. These two resistance are only connected in series. We only have one current here. This is our load current. So we have here our 1.6 volts. We have 1.6 volts. Then we have here a 4 ohm. Okay, total voltage over total resistance. So 4 plus 1. We have plus 1 here, our load resistance. So therefore, our load current will be equal to what now? 1.6 and then divided by should be 5 equal. So our answer is 0.32 ampere. Okay? So 0.32 ampere would be letter D. Okay, guys? So, well, that's the end of the source transformation part 2. Okay? So, then on our next video, I'll be discussing the maximum power transfer theorem. Okay? So, but first, before we leave you guys, and we have some viewers on our Facebook Live, right? So, okay, so good day everyone to all our viewers, to our Facebook Live. So, magandang umaga sa inyo mga kawerpa, no? Good morning everyone here in our country, in the Philippines. It's 11:35 a.m., no? And today is September 25. So, we're doing it live for you, okay? So, we have here, let us read some comments from our accounts, okay? So our social media accounts. So these are some of the comments. So let us read some positive comments. So we have a very overwhelming comment from our viewers, no? These are some are from our Facebook account, some are from our YouTube account, okay? So these are their comments regarding our lectures, our videos, okay? So let us hear from Natalie Joy Dazo. This is a very comprehensive discussion. I learned a lot from the discussed topic and from the shared topics and techniques. The discussion proper itself is really enjoyable and was never boring. So I have absorbed a lot of valuable information. Thank you so much for this. Okay? Then another comment. So we have Marvin Pagaling. Sir, this is a simple and at the same time a brilliant video. Keep doing this great video. It will be very useful for my future career. Very understandable and informative. Keep up the good work, sir. Okay. Then the next. We have Ivan Edades. A very informative discussion by MPHT Review Center. Thank you for the free webinars. Okay. We have Shania Pansiles. We have sobra ang helpful po niya, as always. Okay, thank you for the clear and excellent presentation. Okay, thank you. We have Ruel Caparino Jr. So thank you for this presentation. So marami akong natutunan. Keep doing this. Thank you again. Okay. We have Vincent Dayan. Thank you for this very informative and useful presentation. Hoping for more videos. God bless mga kawerpa. Okay. The next is from Jonel Tepait. Okay. Ang sabi ni Jonel, very informative lectures. Thanks po kahit di ako gaano ka marunong. This moment lecture, pero ang kagandahan ay pwede mong balik-balikan o review ang video for familiarize, thank you po ulit, no? So, huwag kayong mag-alala yung mga hindi marunong, no? Yan ang mas masarap turuan, okay? So, we will help you, no? You are our target, no? Yan ang target namin, yung hindi marunong, gawin nating marunong, di ba? Ay, yung marunong, marunong na yun eh, no? Okay. Sabi nga nung aking kuya eh, ang nangangailangan ng gamot ay yung may sakit, no? Hindi yung may sakit. Okay. So, we have Aaron Paul Racoma. O, sabi niya, good job sir, nice presentation. Marami po ako natutunan. Thank you for this knowledgeable discussion, Marinay Powerhouse. Okay, next comment, Dominic Nicole Manuel. Salamat po sa mga knowledge na ibinabahagi po nyo, sir. So, more power po sa inyo. God bless po. God bless you also. Okay, so those are our comment from our social media account. No? So, thank you. And if you are seeing these videos, no, our lecture, please give your comments. No? And we really appreciate that. No? So, we will choose a comment. So, maybe hindi namin mababasa lahat, mga ka-WERPA. No? We cannot read everything. So, thank you. We appreciate those comments. So, please go to the comment section, put your comment, guys. No? Whether this is in YouTube or in Facebook, no? So, or even in our messenger account, you can send in your comment, your suggestions. No? We are open for that. Okay. So, we have here the free study of electrical engineering. Okay. For the month of September, we only have 2 meetings. And that will be on Monday and on Wednesday, no? So that's Philippine Day. Okay, 9 a.m. to 12 noon. So if you want to join us, okay, you may join us, no, on Monday and Wednesday if you are available, guys, no? Okay, so come on October, this will be our list, no? Ito na po ang schedule namin, mga ka-WERPA. So, ang gagawin po namin, yung ating Restudy Electrical Engineering, i-combine na po natin doon sa ating tinatawag na webinar, no? Actually, the Restudy of Electrical Engineering is a free webinar also. So, makakakuha kayo ng certificate dito. So, this will be a 2-in-1 topic, no? So, 2 topic kagad ang makukuha nyo, mga ka-WERPA, no? So, ang ating next po, no, for the month of October, actually, we still have on Monday and Wednesday for the study of electrical engineering. But, meron po tayo, starting October, we will have it on a Saturday and Sunday na lang. No? Kasi may mga nagre-request po, mga ka-WERPA, na gawin pong weekends kasi wala silang pasok ng weekend. Yung ating mga estudyante at yung ating mga nagtatrabaho, no? Okay, na wala pang license, gusto nilang mag-review ng kaunti. So, yun po, we are here to help you guys, no? So, ito po ay libre, okay, na pinagkakaloob po ng NPHT Review Center. So, this is the free webinar for October 2020, no? So, via Zoom, this is a bali, po-connect din po tayo sa ating Facebook, mga ka-WERPA, no? At pwede kayong mag-join sa aming Zoom class, no? So, the advantage of joining the Zoom class, we will issue an e-certificate for those who will join in our Zoom class. Okay? So, ang oras po natin, the time is 8:30 a.m. up to 1 p.m. So, I'm inviting everyone, whether you are a Filipino, American, no, whoever you are, no, we are inviting you, okay, to study the direct current circuits, part 16. It will be part 16 already. And then, the watercraft electrical system. Okay? So, the first part will be the study of electrical engineering that there are students asking me, sir, can I attend the second topic only? So, the answer is no. So, you have to attend the 2 topics. Meaning, on or before 8:30 a.m., you must already join to our Zoom class. No? Dapat kumonekta ka na doon. No? So, don't be late because there is a cut-off. No? Baka masaraduhan na kayo, eh, hindi na kami mag-a-accept kung kayo masyadong malilate na po. May cut-off po tayo na oras, mga ka-WERPA. No? Okay? So, to our non-Filipino friends or students, no? So, the first part will be the study of electrical engineering. Still, we are not yet finished with our second subject, which is the direct current circuit. Okay. So the first subject is electrical principles, and then the second subject is direct current circuit. This is the longest subject of EE, of electrical engineering. So the study electrical engineering, I will make it an English. The medium of instruction is in English, no, and then I'm having a bit of translation in our language in Filipino. But for the second topic, let's say for October 10, the watercraft electrical system, it will be now in Taglish. No? So in the Philippines, Taglish is this this is actually the language now, no? Especially in Metro Manila. Yeah, it's not actually a pure Tagalog. It is a combination of English and Tagalog. See, so this is for the second part, no? Okay. Well, let's see, no? If you are you have an English tongue, still you watch our Taglish version. Let's see, no? If you still have time, no? Let's see. I think even a little knowledge, I do believe that you will get on our second topic. But for our first topic, of course, it will be in pure English. Then a little of Tagalog. Okay? So that will be on October 10. Okay? Then October 11, we have DC Circuits Part 17. Then Motor Protection based on the Philippine Electrical Code. The Zoom meeting ID is already present here. Okay? Then we have October 17. Again, DC Circuit and the Watercraft Electrical System Part 2. For October 18, we have the DC Circuits Part 19, Electrical Services and Branch Circuit based on the Philippine Electrical Code. October 24, DC Circuits and Watercraft Electrical System Part 3. And then the last one is on October 25, DC Circuits Part 21, Power Systems Engineering. Okay? So, free e-certificate for each topic. Okay? For those who will join only in our Zoom class. Okay? So we are encouraged everyone to join to our Zoom class on these particular dates. No? You invite your friends, no, your loved ones, okay, your even your enemy, okay, your classmate, no, your workmate, no. Please invite them, no, for this free webinar. Okay. So you may attend all topics for free. This is unlimited, guys. No, this is unlimited. Okay. So as long as we are alive, okay, we have a life given by God, okay, so we'll continue doing this good thing, okay. So, you may attend all topics for free, okay. This is a first come, first serve basis. So, please, now be early, okay. So, be on time, on or before 8:30 a.m., you should already join in our Zoom class, okay. So, it will be 8:30 to 1 p.m. Again, there are students really asking, Sir, can I join na lang yung second topic? No. So, you have to be here 8:30 to 1. Okay? So, please allot your date if you want to join. No? Of course, we cannot force you to join. So, if you are available, please allot your 8:30 to 1 p.m. on this following date if you want to get your certificate, your free certificate. And the free certificate, no, we will send you right away on that day also. No, we will finish doing that. Okay? And this is very important when you apply in the for employment purposes, I mean, no? If you apply for a job, no? So this is helpful. You can indicate this in your resume. Okay? Resume. Okay. So we have this special webinar for the month of October 2020 via Zoom. So this is a fixed title or fixed special webinar. We'll be giving this monthly on a monthly basis. Weekday 5:30 to 9 p.m. No? It may extend up to 9:30 p.m. No? So we have the building wiring installation course. We have the industrial motor control. Okay. Then we have practical electrical design course, practical electrical estimation course. Then we have the power system or the high voltage engineering course. Okay? So I'm inviting everyone to attend to our special webinar. No? So, yun, mga kawerpa, no? Inaanyayahan ko kayo. Yan, sana umattend kayo, no? So, yung mga nakikinig po sa atin. And also, our non-Filipino friends who are watching, you may also attend, no? If you want to attend, I already had a pure English video of the building wiring and also for the industrial motor control. I have a lecture here, so you may join here. Even you are Americans, no? Even if you are a British, okay? Wherever you are, no, you may join, no? But for numbers 3, 4, and 5, so for the meantime, it's in Taglish, okay? So, it's very cheap. It's around 1,500 pesos, no? In dollars, how much is that? So, that is 1,500, more or less. How much is dollar conversion? More or less, it's just $30. It's very cheap. It's around $30. Okay? So, if you want to attend to this lecture, no? Okay, you are welcome. Then, for our students, no, you have 70% discount. If there are students, no, watching us, so this 1,500 pesos is only 450 pesos, no? And if that is 450, so that is around $9. So cheap. Okay. So we have here, so free soft copy of lecture handouts, no? And free e-certificate, no? We will send you this to your messenger account. Okay, 70% discount for electrical technology, electrical engineering students, and fresh graduates. Okay, so we have to to register, please send us your full name, your course, school, messenger name, and topic number of your choice at Marina's Powerhouse Messenger account, or call or text at 0922-247-3137. Okay. Or just take a look at our Facebook account, the Marina's Powerhouse. Okay. These are the detailed course outline of the topics that we are going to discuss. So you can take a look, guys, here on our Facebook account, no, for building wiring, for industrial motor control, for the practical electrical estimation course, for the practical electrical design course, and for power systems engineering. Then we have the early bird promo up to 50% discount. Okay, so for REE, okay, mga kawerpa, no? So sa atin to, these are for Filipino students, no? So 10,000 na lang po ang atin pong REE review and refresher course for 10,000 if you are going to pay on or before October 1. That will be on next Thursday. So 10,000 po ang ating REE review and refresher. RME po natin ay 9,000, master plumber po 8,000 kung ika-cash mo siya. Kung mag-installment po, madadagdagan po tayo ng 2,000, magiging 12,000 ng REE, 11,000 for RNE, and 10,000 for Master Plumber. No? So, for more details po, so just contact us, mag-send kayo sa aming Facebook account or Messenger, or mag-text po kayo sa aming pong cellphone. No? 0922-247-3137. Okay? So, free soft copy of lecture handouts, take-home exam with solution, free board exam with solution, that's also free, and then free e-certificate of attendance. Now, experience our virtual classroom at the comfort of your home. Guaranteed high-quality teaching, review materials, and review program. And we guarantee you, this is the best online review setup among others. Okay, we guarantee you. So, you're just like in a virtual classroom. Okay, so okay, so this is our electrical engineering books or review materials. So you may avail that for 3,600 pesos, the 4 books. This contains the computation and objective type, no, with calculator techniques, no, math, ESAS, saka EE na yan, mga kawerpa. Then if you are going to avail these 4 books, I will give you this free book. Okay, this is around 400 pesos, no? A little less than 400 pesos in the bookstore before. Okay? So this contains some mathematics subject, engineering science subjects, and some EE subject, electrical subject I also saw in this book. Okay? It's a very useful book. Okay? This one. Okay, then we have for Master Electrician Reviewer. We have that one. Okay. So, 2,600 lang po lahat yan, mga kawerpa, no? Technical PEC na po yan, no? And then, we have the plumbing arithmetic, no? For the Master Plumber. Okay. So, this is a complete set that is only 3,100 pesos. Okay. Mga balak mag-take ng Master Plumber. Okay. Study Electrical Engineering the Filipino way. So, please subscribe to Reggie Marina YouTube channel. So, this is me. Okay. So, it seems you're not that, sir. No, I'm that one. Malayo ba? So, siyempre may masilya yan. Okay. So, we have Reggie Marina YouTube channel. So, once again, this is from MPHT Review and Training Center, which means Marina's Powerhouse Team Review and Training Center. Because the power is in the house. Kung gusto mo tutukan, mag-powerhouse ka na. Thank you. Salamat po sa inyo, mga kawerpa. Good day, everyone. God bless you all and stay safe.